Asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu. Kusoo dhawaada asxaabteeda channelkayga Nasra Carfeye Cooking Channel. Fadlan haddii ay tahay markii ugu horeysay aad soo booqatay subscribe saaro gambaleelka furo si aad ula socotid cashir walba aan soo gelino. Una sii share garee asxaabtaada insha Allah. Soo dhawaada asxaabteeda. Maanta vloggen wuxuu ku saabsanaan doonaa suuqa beerta. Waxa soo booqanay meelaha lagu kariyo cuntooyinka wadaniga. Sida haruurka, digirta iyo soorta, masagada, waxyaabahaas oo dhan insha Allah nala daawada videoga dhameeso insha Allah. Haddii aad ka heshay like saar, siin share garee, subscribe na hana giloobin insha Allah. Soo dhawaada mar kaleento.
Assalamu alaikum. As you know, Miss Nasra Carfeye had new channel in YouTube, the one of best channel and one of best food she is cooking. Especially the Somalian food like otka, ambola, breeze, hilbgel, hari, anjira. Anjira is special. So that's why I recommend all kind of Asians, Europeans, African. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and pass good comments for Nasra Carfeye, the best channel. I prefer to my family, to my wife. Please, we will cook for learn from Nasra Carfeye. We cook same dishes. I request to everybody, please go to channel, visit, subscribe and share and like, give a pop-up. Have a nice time. The best channel in social media, Nasra Carfeye. Okay.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be scared. me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared.
Abuna